Good evening, folks. This is Bob Desmond over at the Contrarian Trader. And the stock I want to go over this evening is Bank of America, symbol BAC. This is a daily chart, what you're looking at, and we had a phenomenal day, up about 3.25% on the day. And I believe that we have a really good opportunity here to build a position in Bank of America. Now, a couple of things have happened. We've had the Congress pass the budget. In that budget, which is sure to be signed by the president, there is a provision where the Dodd-Frank Act allows the banks to pretty much pawn off any losses incurred by their trading derivatives to the American taxpayer. It sounds horrible for us, and it truly is, but for the banks, it's a great thing. So, if I were a banker, I'd be looking to buy my own stock. Bank of America is looking strong. Probably the whole banking sector is going to behave fairly well in the near term anyway, because Janet Yellen gave the all clear today. She did not throw a bone to the Russians. She did not throw a bone to the Japanese. She did not throw a bone to the Chinese. She spoke positively about the economy, and that will cause yields to rise, which is good for banks. So looking at the chart of Bank of America, again, a daily chart, the RSI held up. Note how we put in a double bottom, whereas the price action on Tuesday was very, very bearish. It broke down below prior support. And if I had to bet a nickel, my guess would have been that we were going to head down lower today. We did not. We gapped higher, and we never looked back. Now, when you take a look at the weekly chart, you can see that we found support at the lower band of the rising uptrend channel, a bottoming tail, or a wick as some might call it, on the candlestick, and we appear poised to possibly rally. Now, I will warn that we have had a lower high. Prior high 1791, new high is 1787. When looking at a stock, you always want to make higher highs, assuming that you are long. But the fact that we've rallied off of these lows, and assuming that we close there by the end of business Friday, will speak volumes for the strength of the banking sector. And members, I'm going to be going over the chart of the XLF overlaid with the Bank of America to see if it's a relative outperformer or underperformer. We still have a downtrend on Stochk RSI. And I have to be honest, the banks as a collective bunch are very, very extended. Now, that doesn't mean that they can't get more extended and that there isn't opportunity for the sector to move higher, but I am still cautious on the market overall despite today's bullish reversal. Let's check out the volume today. Very, very good volume, well above average, but we've seen some distribution of late, but still, good volume. Let's take a look at the 30-minute chart. We have the RSI in an uptrend, looking good, higher lows. Nice intraday chart. The fact that we closed above the 200-period moving average is a very, very good sign. We are going to see some resistance in here. This is not going to be a clear shot by any stretch of the imagination. So these buyers back here are going to want to get made whole. And members, I will be discussing Bank of America, XLF, and some additional charts on Market Wrap this evening. For non-members, please, if you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. If you're watching this on StockTwits or Twitter, please follow me. If you're watching this on the website, please enter your email address. We hate spam too. You will not be spammed. Everybody have a profitable trading day tomorrow. Happy Hanukkah and Merry Christmas to everybody. Be well.